Microsoft SharePoint versus Microsoft Teams. Two bits of software, both produced by Microsoft, going head to head. It kind of seems like it shouldn't be. However, they both have unique benefits and they've both been made for different use cases. Today we're going to explore all of that, answer a bunch of questions. So without further ado, let's climb in. Another fantastic product by Microsoft SharePoint. So Microsoft SharePoint has AI-driven content management. So SharePoint's 2025 AI automates document creation, tagging for better organization all in all. This really does reduce that manual workload and it speeds up your content delivery. Your team can focus on impactful work, which improves your overall efficiency across your platform. SharePoint agents and knowledge experts. So AI agents provide precise answers by deeply analyzing large document collections. Users can create specialized agents for focused knowledge areas. Also, teams access key information quickly, boosting decisions and productivity all in all. You get flexible sections for dynamic pages. So you can resize freely. You get a responsive design and it looks professional. You can move and resize your web parts freely to fit content and layout needs. You also have flexible sections that adapt gracefully to all device screens for better UX. And also you can create intuitive, stylish pages without rigid column restrictions. Of course, one or two drawbacks is the learning curve, the complexity of the tool. It is rich in features and AI tools, so it really does need some extensive training if you are a new user. And even if you are experienced, you may still need some additional training. Also, it is super resource intensive. AI capabilities are on high demand, so it demands strong IT infrastructure to avoid slowdowns. That is definitely something that you need to take into consideration. So I think we've all used Microsoft Teams on a very small scale at some point in our lives. It almost seems like Microsoft Teams was always there. But let's have a look a little bit deeper as to what they can offer you if you have a medium to large organization. So Microsoft Teams offers seamless instant communication within channels as well as direct messages. It supports threaded conversations, quick replies, and file sharing all in one single workspace. Microsoft Teams deliver high quality video calls as well with screen sharing, recording, and breakout rooms. It enhances remote collaboration and virtual presentations across your team. You can actually schedule calls and meetings, and you can use their flexible customization options to tailor for your needs. The breakout rooms, it's great to organize smaller groups. You can organize these groups during your calls, and you get the screen sharing, which is great. You can share presentations and collaborative visually in real time. The other thing is integrations with other Microsoft products. So as you know, Microsoft has 100,000 million billion products. And this is nice because you can integrate all of these products together and you can have everything work in one space. One or two of the drawbacks, the system performance may lag during heavy usage. This is always a problem if you're having a look at large teams with large amounts of data going through all the channels. This can definitely be a bit of a problem. Also, your notification overload, it can sometimes clutter your workspace. The other thing is that, as I mentioned earlier on over here, you are going and integrating with other applications. Microsoft 365 is not one single package, okay? So it's an umbrella, and you have all the products or the software underneath that umbrella. So you're paying individually for all of these products. So whatever you want to integrate, you'll be paying specifically, a price for each one of those. And eventually, if you're maybe integrating 5 or 6 or even up to 10 different products, it can be quite costly. So there you go, folks. That's software in a nutshell. You can go ahead and drop a like if this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more, you can visit their website, and we will see you in another awesome video.